say we're going to do things for others, and sometimes life just gets busy. This Ramadan, the fasting month for Muslim, I decided to include my entire community. So I added a post for the entire community. Anyone who wants a معروك, which is Ramadan sweet bread that we used to make, or rather we used to buy in Syria, they'll all be happy to make one for them. Some days I made 7 or 9 different Marouks, which I will include a picture of, and some days I just made 4. That has proven to be such a positive, not just for me, because it just, when people would come and I would bake it 3 hours before I break my fast. So they come and pick up their Marouk at 5 o'clock and we break our fast at 8 o'clock. They come to pick a bread, just got out of the oven. The smile you see on people's faces was so heartwarming. This was my way of including my community with something that I like and I treasure. And considering what I read from the comment, this also had a positive impact on everyone else who had it. Not to mention, it was super tasty. What have you decided to do something for others lately?